Ah, nature walking. I love this. Haven't done this for years. Well, it has been a year, has it?
More than a year.
Wow.
Well, I did this with Steve. Like a year with Steve. I think you were working.
We gotta do this more often.
Yeah, we do.
Oh shit.
Careful, buddy. Careful, man.
Yeah, I know. Wow. I've never seen this part of the forest. Wow. Nice. Oh, you know this place already, huh?
Yeah, totally. I haven't been here in a year. I remember I first brought you guys here like in 2012, I think. 2011.
Really? So it's been more than 4 years.
Well, the last time was 1 year. I came here with Steve last year. So remember last summer? It was last summer.
Yikes.
Wow. Pretty narrow here.
I know. Ah, nature.
God made.
What I call love. Wow. Got to be. What happened? Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, guys. I definitely love this. Yeah, I feel like Tarzan with this. No, I meant these things.
George of the jungle.
No, these things, I mean. I
Oh yeah, this.
don't think that could hold me. Oh, gee. Well, you're skinnier than me, so. Oh, yeah. Nature calls. Oh, gee. Oh, gee. This is amazing. Wow.
Let's go that way now.
Yeah?
Let's see another entrance
You
here.
do? Oh, yeah, I see it. Nice. Recording this in case. Oh.
Huh?
Recording this in case.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
In case. Nobody knows. Blair Witch. Blair Witch. Oh, gee. Politician out there. Oh, gee. You know what they say? You gotta film everything. Oh, gee. Oh. I don't even think Jason could live here. Too.
Too hot.
And also too much trees. He wouldn't have no way.
No.
Unless it's a Jason from like the new Friday the 13th.
Maybe not Jason, but Tarzan could live here.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, George of the jungle.
Oh. Oh, probably the apes. Wow. This is amazing. Nice.
Buddy, can I have a picture?
Yo, hello.
Thank
Alright, I'm back. And I'm better than ever. Are you right? You want to take a picture there? Hold on. Back to nature. I'll be the next Friday the 13th to make it good.
Yeah, I hope so.
Uh-oh. That's not good. I hope it...
looks even creepier.
I mean, it's darkening. Hopefully it's not because of what I think it is. I hope not. It's nice. It would suck if it rains.
Yeah, it would be tired. We'll have to run with the car.
Run! No! Fat man, don't run. Oh, yeah. Damn, man. I can't do that. I definitely can't do that.
But it's still an adventure.
I think you can be Tarzan.
Almost, not exactly.
No, because you can do exercise like that. You can work out. You could do that like that. You can work out.
And I think Tarzan will still be.
No, he knows. You just need a monkey with you, an ape. Little ape. Cheetah. Nature walk. Number 2. Ooh. Nice, Sal. I'm in the forest. Woohoo! No. Where am I? Awesome. Now I think field trips like this should be done for school too.
Yeah.
But it's like they're probably afraid they might get lost or something.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, I do. I love it. I love this.
Because to me, it's like being out of Miami.
Oh, Miami.
Isn't it?
I don't even know where we are.
To me, it's like not being in a big city.
That's true. Ah, I love this. I love this.
I think this nature walk is even better than the one by Brew Road, I think. So.
I think so too. What? Did I go with you guys there?
Huh?
Did I?
I'm not sure. I haven't seen the picture.
Isn't that one where? No, I think I don't remember. Well, I think we only did one nature walk, and that was here. I think so. I'm not sure. I got worst memory I ever remember. It reminds me of Predator. Oh, the sunlight is like messing up the light.
It's humid today.
I know.
Like moist. From the rain.
Probably won't rain. I haven't seen no black clouds anywhere all day.
Oh, that's sunny.
Yeah. Well, you know how Miami lies. It may look sunny, but I don't trust the weather reports anymore.
Yeah, they're not accurate.
Oh, this is awesome. Oh. If I had a choice, sleep at home or live here, I would say here.
Yeah, maybe.
I will have to need food, clothes. Can't live like Tarzan.
It gives you like the impression that we're in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, well, if we would,
Technically, this is a park.
yeah.
It doesn't look like a park. Like any park.
Oh man,
That's what I like about it.
definitely. I would do this again.
Yeah.
I will even do it twice in one day.
Yeah, me too.
I don't care
If I
how.
live right here, yeah.
Huh?
If I live like around here, yeah.
That'd be awesome. Wow. One tree messed up. Oh. Nature. Nature and its beauty. Ten, 9, 8. Huh?
Beauty of nature.
Yes, I agree. I definitely agree.
This way.
Let's go.
There's a way this way. Pretty long.
But nice. Oh, good thing we can't get lost here. I know. That's a good thing we can't.
You know who thought you were gonna get lost here when I came?
Huh?
You know who thought you were gonna get lost here?
Who?
Steve.
Oh, sorry.
I told them, trust me, I know they're way still apart. This is not the middle of the Amazon jungle.
He gets lost going to the
It
bathroom.
doesn't look like him, but it's not.
That's too funny. He gets lost going to the bathroom. Trust me. Oh my God, this is awesome. This is just. Now, this is what I live for.
Okay, the tickets were taken on April 26, 2014.
Wow. Do you see me?
Let me see. Nope, you're not. No, you didn't go.
But I think this one's better. I like this one.
Nope, it was only me, Doug, Steve, and that's it. You weren't there.
I like this
Go
better.
there one day, just so you can see.
Oh, wow. Oh. Wow. I don't think we ever came this way.
Huh?
I don't think we ever came this way.
Yeah, what I did was see. It ain't here, and it ain't over there, and it ain't this way.
Ah.
I think this is the biggest one in the house, and they found it. Wow. I have to take a picture of that.
What?
Spider.
Oh. I hate spiders. Oh. Oh, wow, that's an ugly thing. Oh. That is the ugliest spider I've ever seen. All right.
I'm actually scared of them. Like if I see one on top of me, I'll jump.
Me too. Spiders are not my friends. I may love Spider-Man, but
took a picture of it, but I wouldn't take it.
I may love Spider-Man, but I don't love spiders. Huh. Ooh, I don't even know if it's poisonous or not. Hey, you can become Spider-Man now. Oh, gee. Nobody knows. I might see you hanging out the wall soon. Oh, gee. Spider-Man is Spider-Man.
Wow.
What?
I'll take a picture of that. I wouldn't need them because some of them are
Poison?
Yep. Toxic.
Definitely toxic. Nice. Holy.
Some berries and mushrooms are toxic.
Oh. Oh, yeah. You gotta be a professional, dude. The only berries I trust is the one in the stores.
Me too, in the supermarket.
I learned my lesson.
Not working any sick. Earning at home.
No way. Nature walk. Nah, number 2 for me. Oh boy. Let me look at those. Those. Ah. No. Nice. Nothing. Yeah. Oh. Oh, my neck. It hurt. Yeah. Amazing. Out of here. Oh. How many trials at these are we gotta go through, my friend? Ah! Ah! Amazing! Hey, take a picture of me there?